If you're trying to record your iPhone screen, but even if you swipe down from the top right, it doesn't show up with the screen recorder, I'm going to show you two different ways to get that fixed. Now, let's first just head into the settings app on your iPhone. Let's check to see if this works first. Let's scroll down here and you can see right under camera is Control Center. Just tap on that. Now, depending on your version of your iPhone and the iOS operating system, you might see a number of different things on here that allows you to add the screen recording to it. However, you can see I have a newer iPhone, so it doesn't show up there. I need to swipe down from the top right, and you can see here's my control center. Now, you'll be able to see at the very top left is a little plus symbol. Let's tap on the plus, and then tap on Add Control at the very bottom. Now, all you need to do is search for screen recorder. So I can type in screen here and just tap on screen recording. And just like that, it adds that to my control center. I can move it around. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. And when I'm ready, I can tap anywhere outside of those icons. And to record my screen, I can just tap that button and it will count down 3, 2, 1 and start recording.